Hello friends, welcome to our video on 5 methods to finish what you have started to write. You know, this is a common problem. We writers start stuff and then we have difficulty finishing what we started. Now, the first advice as a 30-year plus writer, I would say just outline your work. It's really a must. Sometimes we are motivated to start writing something and then try to go all through it with the seat of the pants method, you know, just guessing and trusting something will come up and we will end up what we are writing in a neat manner. We'll tie up everything neatly at the end. But more than half of the time we get lost in the woods, don't we? So I would strongly suggest you outline what you're going to write and at least write the title, like in 25 words, 30 words or less. Because if you cannot express honestly in so many words what you're trying to write, the chances are you won't be able to finish what you're writing anyways. But keep in mind, this is not cast in stone. As you go through your piece and as you finish it, you may find out you end up at a totally different place, at which point please feel free to go back and change your title and, you know, rearrange your outline. But an outline is always better to have an outline than the alternative, which is just setting out on the road with no firm idea where you're heading. Second point, just roughly divide your writing into 3 parts, the beginning, middle, and end. I read somewhere that this is what Aristotle suggested in his Poetica as the best way to write something. I'm not a scholar, but all I want to say, without coming across as too smart, is this 3-part plan has been with us for ages, for thousands of years. So if you stick to that basic architecture, you know, you have a beginning, you have a middle, and you have an end, the chances are you will be able to finish what you're writing. Now, third is very important. I learned it the hard way in my 30 years of writing career. Please, don't think that just because a piece has 3 parts, beginning, middle, and end, you need to start from the beginning. See, start from anywhere you like. And this is kind of easier if you are doing technical writing, because technical writing has a better structure. But if you're writing fiction, for example, hey, you know, when the inspiration hits you, just start and write from anywhere. You know, if you insist on the linear writing, one logical episode after the other, you may get frozen and you may have your censorship kicking in, this aura censor that we have. And try just starting to write from anywhere and see what happens. You may be delightfully surprised that your writer's block may disappear when you quit insisting to write in a linear fashion. Now, creating a writing calendar is a good idea. And by that, I mean getting down to the nitty-gritty, the details of the writing. Let's say maybe you want to write a 1,000-word article. So you may want to write the first 100 words between 10 a.m. and 10:20. Something like that. You know, when you put time constraints on yourself, your unconscious opens up and tries to live up to your own limitations. So it's a big kick, you know, where to push you forward in your writing, because you don't want to embarrass yourself by not being able to succeed in a task that you assign yourself. When you give an assignment to yourself, saying, I'm going to write 100 words, you know, within the next half an hour, the chances are you will. And the last advice, recommendation I would humbly extend to you is support your writing with multimedia, extra media. Like some people enjoy listening to music as they write. And I sometimes turn on the TV and let it run in the background like a white noise while I write. That works for me. And other people did other crazy things. Balzac, for example, the French writer, he was said to keep a rotting apple in the drawer of his writing desk. And so that the fragrance of the rotting apple somehow inspired him. That scent took him to different worlds, different settings. And one thing I wouldn't recommend at all is to consume alcohol or drugs, because even though initially it looks like they may inspire you in the wrong, first of all, they're going to ruin your health. And when you go back and read what you have written under the influence, 99 out of 100 you will find that it's pure garbage. It just doesn't make sense. So keep your head, and coffee is good, tea is good, water, other drinks are good, but keep a healthy body, and you need a healthy body for the healthy mind and healthy writing and finishing what you have started. I hope these tips will help you. So I wish you all the good luck in the world. Writing is fun, writing is difficult, and I hope this helps. Take good care.